Okay, my name's James McKelwin, and I am trying to unclog my bathtub. So what I did is I made this contraption out of some hose and a siphon and a funnel, and I'm using a pitcher, and I might have some kind of design going to so I could like make a invention of some sort. And what I'm gonna do is, or what I'm doing actually is, I'm pumping the water out of the pipe with this, and then with the siphon, and then after I've pumped it out and it's dry down in there, I'm pouring uh, this this stuff called liquid smoke or something like that. And it's like Drano, only stronger, or muriatic acid or some shit. And that's basically the setup. So once it's in there, it goes straight to the clog. And then once it's in there, I poured one bottle in there already, and it's clear. I'm going to pour another bottle in there just in case. And this is see how hard it is to get in there? I can't get a snake in there or nothing. I'd have to dig up my whole freaking bathroom over here to access that pipe. So I'm doing this instead, and it's way easier. So I'm thinking about building upon this. I don't know yet, but give me your thoughts.